Hi, this is Nicola. I want to take you through a nappy trial kit today because the thing is you have to draw a fine line between giving you plenty of nappies to be able to use regularly and not overwhelming you. So you get 16 nappies in a nappy trial kit. They're all generally available in the UK. Some of them you can easily get hold of pre-loved and others you can't. So let's start with a very popular one. This is, oh, bear with me because my other hand is holding the camera and I might wobble every now and then. This is the Little Lamb pocket nappy, which comes with 2 bamboo pads, and as you can see there are poppers on the front so you can adjust the length of the nappy as your baby grows. This one is a Baba and Boo pocket nappy. Similar thing, again you have pads and there are poppers on the front to change the length of the nappy as your baby grows. These two, oh, rummaging in the box, these two are Charlie Banana one size nappies and they adjust with elastic around the legs, so that's slightly different. They come with microfiber pads. These next two, oh, these are Eco Peepo birth to potty nappies and they come with cotton pads inside and they're very adjustable too. They're a good make. This next one is a Totspots Peanut. This is a new edition and there are 2 pads inside which pop her in and you can change the pads in and out as you need to. The next one is the Totspots Easy Fit, which is their all-in-one version. Literally, you put it on, you take it off, you chuck it in the wash. It's that easy. Then we have a couple of Bambooty Basics. And again, these have pop-in pads. So you change the pads, you make sure you have more pads than the covers, and you're good to go. Then there is, oh, this is G-Pant. Nice little G-Pant, which this is the back of it, this is the front. So, you know, slightly different. It goes on a little bit differently to other nappies. It's got a nice elastic bit around the top, which doesn't dig in, which is nice. And this one is an Easy Fit all-in-one nappy. What I like about this, you can see there are 2 rows of poppers, one around the waist, one around the legs. You can get a good fit around both. So if you have chunky thighs, you can adjust that separately to the waist. And then Totspots Bamboozle, very nice fitted nappy. It's been going for years, so you know people like it. And this one, whoops, is Nature Baby's Big Softy. This is a really versatile nappy. You can use it right from newborn, right up to toddlers, and it's a good one for night time because it's completely fleece lined. Next I have a couple of Sandies. These ones are bamboo, extra small and small, because I'm putting this kit together for a lady with a little boy who's not quite 11 pounds. And then a Bambino Mio wrap, size 1, and a Bum Genius Birth to Potty flip wrap, plus some Little Lamb fleece liners. So that's everything that goes into a nappy kit, and each one is individually tailored to the baby that it's going to be used on. Right, if you need to know any more information, do get in touch through the Facebook page IW Real Nappy Network, and I look forward to helping you soon or meeting you at a nappy natter. Thanks for watching.